Hi guys, this is my review of the WE P226. The finish of the pistol is very good, other than the paint, which flicks off very easily. The pistol features a single and double action trigger with a fully functional decocker. It also has a fake firing pin. The pistol sights are white dot tri-sights. The magazine is built rather well, the spring tension is fine and it runs great on black gas. It's very easy to take the pistol apart. You just need to make sure the lever is facing directly downwards and then depress the slide. Overall, the pistol has great range and accuracy and I would highly recommend it. Thank you for watching my review of the WE P226.